Hi guys, welcome back to Model Trains and Such. It's been a couple of maybe a week, 2 weeks since I've done a video. I've just about not had the urge to come out here and bugger about in the garage. But I was talking about power feed on my lathe, and I actually ordered something which is going to bring that on. Actually, it's going to progress it, and it's in this box. So what have I ordered? I have ordered a car windscreen wiper motor. And what I plan on doing is attaching it to this plate and then figure out a way of attaching it onto the end of the lathe. I will just show you what I've got at the moment. Just spin you around so you can see there I have a motor. So it's just me kicking the bucket of Vaporust. I have that on there like that, and what I plan to do is put this one on, because this should have plenty of torque with it being a window wiper motor, because it has to pull two wiper blades backwards and forth. So what I actually need to do is, on this plate, keep them in the box and screws, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the centre of this and drill a hole in the centre for that, well, that nut is, that's going to go straight through there. So where did I put my calipers? Aha. So if I just move you up a little bit, about there, and you can see what I'm doing. So that's an inch, I'll put it in metric. So the plate I've got is, we'll call it 100, so 50, it's about there. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can't see that line, or you can. And then what we've got this way, zero. Oh, it's 100 square, so another 50. I know it's a very crude way of just marking it out, but it'll do for me. Right, I just want a centre punch now. Something to whack it with. My light's gone in the workshop, so I can't really see that well. I'll do this left-handed. There we are. Can you see that little pop? That is where it needs to be, roughly in the middle. Nice and big. I shouldn't really do that with taps, but it's got a nice point on it. Focuses. It's got a nice point on it, so it'll do for centre popping. So what size do I need to drill a hole in there? We shall see. Just going to keep this short and sweet. So that's M8. So I want about an 8.5. So next I shall drill that hole. Right, let's get this 10mm hole drilled. A little bit of oil goes a long way. Now we have it. One drilled hole. Always wipe chips off with a bit of a rag or something, because a lot of the times at work I have an awful habit of just brushing them off with my hand like that, and no end of chips have got stuck in my fingers, and in the evening I'm spending all night trying to pull them out, and it's not fun. So that's that drilled. We'll go back over to the bench and we'll figure out where we want all those 3 holes to be to mount it up.